What's up, guys? Brendan from Crypto Cauldron. Getting rain here, guys. A lot of rain. So I thought I'd hop on, make you a quick Bitcoin update video because, as you know, Bitcoin looks like it's been uber exciting today. I mean, what could I have missed being away from the computer? I mean, what did we do? Let me see. Let me see. Don't ruin it for me. Don't spoil it. Oh, just hitting the 200 like I said we would, and then nothing. Looks like, what, 12, 16 hours of literally nothing. Um, I mean, this is just so predictable, guys. It's sad because Bitcoin is just extremely boring. The market is very boring right now. So this is our new lower high that we have made because we're making a top. Previous lower high, and then, of course, we have the lower high from 41, which is already circled for us, okay? So, so you have your 41, you have your 36 and change, and now your 35 and change. This is what we're dealing with, guys. This is your dissension of Bitcoin, right? The bull maximalists don't want to hear this. That's fine. They want to talk about pennant shapes and things like that. That's fine. What they don't understand is this line, the 200, you have not defeated it in multiple attempts. You're not defeating it now. Even if you get above it, you will roll, okay? Because they don't understand volume. They don't understand this is price history for over a month, okay? And these are your volume levels, June 2nd to current. You're not getting through this in a month price history. Look at that climb you have to get past from here. If you get to here, that's all you get is this little peak right here. And then that's why you roll, because it steps off. Again, I feel like I'm making the same video over and over again because Bitcoin's not doing anything, but most people don't understand what's happening. That's what's crazy, right? So you still have people talking about blow off tops and things, but they don't even understand that we're in a downtrend. And they call this bias TA. Because again, we don't care if we're in a downtrend. It honestly doesn't matter to us if we are in a downtrend or not. We're going to trade in and out of the market on these swings. What we do care about is this is extremely boring and people are leaving. Retail is leaving the market. I'm speaking for friends and family that are no longer in crypto, citing the same things that everybody complains about, such as whale needles, like that, reversing patterns, just whale needles out of the blue that have no business being there, no volume to support them, and they just pop up, right? Whale needles is one reason. Another reason is a slow rolling market, legging down. Lots of people just want to hodl. They don't want to buy and trade, which is understandable. People want to know where to buy coins so they can sit on them and make money, right? So the market's such a blended place right now. But I'm just thinking in my small sample size of family and friends that are no longer in crypto, if you extrapolate that and expand it across the cryptoverse, everybody probably knows somebody that gave up crypto, put it in stocks, took the money out, bought a big screen TV, whatever they're doing. This is just so bad for the market, guys. I really feel like it is. It's just, having this rolling market in a range with occasional crashes and then occasional whale spikes, it's just really bad. And again, this is all because half of Bitcoin in circulation is owned by whales and hedge funds, right? And then you have the problem with the technical analysis side of it on YouTube specifically is most of the people doing YouTube videos don't actually trade, right? They don't actually make trades. They don't post their trades in their Discord like I do. They don't post their wins and their losses in their Discord like I do. So most of these guys that are making YouTube TA videos, they bought back in 2019, 2018, when all the coins were like a penny, okay? They don't know how to trade. They don't know how to read charts. And the reason this is so bad is because if you watch their videos every day, like I said, it's just a bull maximalist day. Oh, hope for the best, prepare for the worst. We had June, then boom. We had blow off tops. We had July, then zoom, or whatever the next catchy phrase was. But they don't make you any money, guys. They don't know how to read charts. And this is the problem that we have in this marketplace is that you have a whole swath of people that are expecting parabolic moves to the upside because they're following people that are ignorant to technical analysis. Ignorant to technical analysis. This isn't rocket science. Just look at the trend look at the highs. And if you go back to May 12th, I mean, it's just disgusting, right? It's just so bad, guys. It's May 12th, after this furious sell wall, You were losing up here. I mean, you want to be honest about it? You were losing up here. This this sell wall is out of trend. These were like your sell walls before, right? So you see, look how thin the cloud was getting. Ichinu, you broke through, you dipped. You broke through and you sold off. You couldn't get back on the 200. You couldn't get back on the 200 and you fell. Bitcoin is so overpriced. Most cryptos are very overpriced. You look at tokenomics on a lot of these companies, most of these companies in this space literally make $0. Okay? The revenue is the coins. They make $0. Everybody's excited, and I'm not slagging off any projects. I'm just saying the amount of money some of these companies make, and they have higher market caps for value than like Ford Motor Cars, and they make like no money, or a tenth of the money that Ford does. It's so much future promise. And then you have the combination of the YouTube guys that don't know how to do TA. Basically, most of the YouTube guys, the reason they don't understand these basic things like volume and things, other than the fact that they're all holders and they bought all their stuff in the off season, other than the fact they don't actually have a trading background, that's why they don't post their trades in their Discord or share their wins or share their losses with people. Other than those facts, the biggest problem that these guys have is they think what they're doing is like what Reddit did with Wall Street Bets, right? I think there's a portion of that there. They think like what they're doing is, hey, if we can just rev up the community, tell them how great everything could be if we all join together and put out F the Bulls video or F the Bears videos and just lie to them. Let's just lie to them and keep telling them the same thing over and over and then just plead ignorance when it doesn't work out. Well, I told you it didn't work out. I mean, I told you 6 videos ago for 3 seconds that we might roll. This is what you're dealing with in this space, right? But the problem is, this isn't Wall Street Bets. The problem is, this isn't one particular stock like GameStop. You're talking about the whole market. You're talking about $1 trillion market, okay? And half of Bitcoin is owned by institutions. These retail single-handedly cannot change the direction. You need to know what the institutions are doing. You need to know what the whales are doing and follow along. I can tell you right now, the whales aren't pumping this up to 75K. They're just not, because they're not stupid, unfortunately, like some of the YouTubers are. They understand things like volume. They have multi-millions in software. I work at one of these investment banks for AI, bot trading, all types of things, and they're not making mistakes like, let's pump this thing up to 40K or 50K just so it can crash back down. That's not how this works, guys. You need organic growth, or just going to be stuck in this rolling market. Retail has to step in. With people leaving the marketplace, we're just going to be further stuck and further rolling. And again, there's your trend, okay? That's your trend over a period of the last 3 weeks. This is your trend. So we can keep talking about parabolic blow-off tops, blow-top-offs, as an expert calls them, which was hilarious. You can keep talking about this, but it's not happening until you reverse trend. Trends are valid until they are invalidated. I mean, that's the bottom line, right? Like I said, until you come out, until you leg up, make some stairs here, come out of this, come out of that, boom. But you got to get through this, okay? And I'm beating this to death because, God, these people don't understand it. And it's funny because, watch these same videos tomorrow. I feel like all my videos are the same, but I'm just telling you what the data is in front of me, whereas other people are just saying, well, we could do this, but most likely my prediction is this. I have stock to flow model, and you know what the model predicts? Oh, it predicts this. I have Market Cipher, which is $2,000 of garbage. It's basically a free amalgam of free indicators. I'm going to charge you $2,000 for it. And it says it's going to do this. Guys, this is I'm sorry. I watched a couple of videos before I came in here to do my TA, and it's so bad. You got like 18-year-old kids doing TA that don't know anything about TA. You got guys that are multimillionaire holders who bought everything in the off season, per se, the bear market, who don't know how to do any type of trading. They don't post trades. They don't even post TA in their own Discord. It's absolutely insane. They have other people posting their TA in their Discord, and they fooled thousands of people into paying for that. Like, that's just absolutely mental to me. Like, what are people paying for? Community? I don't get it. I don't get it. This is such a new space, the crypto space with the YouTube. It's such a new space, and there's so many con artists and hucksters in it. It's absolutely amazing to me. But guys, just be aware, it's your money. Financial freedom can be had. Join somebody's Discord, join somebody's Telegram group that is a trader that tells you how to trade, when to enter and exit the market, what levels to buy in at, and they post their own trades there. Join somebody like that, because the people that are out there right now that just keep making blow off top videos, they're just really morons. Look at their history of what their predictions are. Look at their history and you will see. And again, whether you come here or not, absolutely fine, but find somebody that's good. There's so many bad people out there. They don't understand the basics of trading 101 because they've never traded in their life. Buying a coin at 3 cents and sitting on it till it's $1 is not trading. That's hodling. Valid strategy. You know what the difference is? I'm not a surgeon, okay? Putting a Band-Aid on, I'm not gonna tell somebody how to do a heart surgery, right? You got guys that are buying coins for a penny, 2 pennies a year or two ago, and they're telling people what to do in a market like this. And they don't even understand the trend at all. They don't understand the trend. And they got people paying them in a Ponzi scheme, essentially, for their Discord groups and their Telegrams, and they don't actually provide advice. They don't provide trades. They don't show anything as far as what they're doing on their own. Just saying, just be aware, guys. This marketplace is scammy. Crypto is super scammy. Coming from traditional financial market, this is super scammy with a lot of overpriced coins, a lot of scam artists in here out to make a quick buck, and you're not going to see them around again. But protect your money, guys. Got off on a rant. Hope you're enjoying your weekend, and we'll talk again soon, guys.